Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my own personal experience using Lendgenius Express Loans. Exploring Lendgenius Express Loans, a comprehensive overview. In this video, we'll delve into the features, intended audience, and overall user experience of Lendgenius Express Loans to help you determine if it aligns with your financial requirements. Lendgenius doesn't directly lend money, instead, it acts as a bridge, connecting borrowers with a network of lenders offering quick and adaptable express loan solutions. This platform caters to individuals facing pressing financial needs, such as unexpected bills, medical expenses, or temporary cash flow gaps. The application process is remarkably streamlined, conducted entirely online, and takes mere minutes to complete. Upon submitting your information, Lendgenius matches you with potential lenders who may provide approval in as little as 24 hours. One of the platform's most notable strengths is its broad accessibility. Lendgenius works with borrowers across a wide spectrum of credit scores, even those with less than perfect credit histories. This inclusivity makes it a particularly attractive option for individuals who might encounter difficulties qualifying for traditional loans. Loan amounts typically range from $100 to $55,000, depending on the specific lender and your individual qualifications, with repayment terms tailored to suit your circumstances. Transparency is another key advantage. Lendgenius presents clear and upfront details regarding loan terms and associated fees, empowering you to make a well-informed decision before accepting any offers. This proactive approach ensures you avoid unexpected charges or unfavorable conditions. Furthermore, the platform prioritizes user security, safeguarding your personal information throughout the entire process. Lendgenius is ideally suited for individuals seeking a swift and dependable method to explore a variety of loan options without the cumbersome process of applying to numerous lenders individually. However, because it operates as a matchmaking platform, the specific terms and interest rates offered will vary depending on the lender. Therefore, it's essential to carefully review all details before committing to a loan. In summary, Lendgenius Express Loans offer a convenient and efficient avenue for connecting with lenders for short-term financial assistance. If speed, flexibility, and accessibility are priorities for you, this platform could be a valuable resource. Explore the links in the description to learn more and discover the options available to you today.